Hi everyone. The session starts. Thanks for waiting and thanks for coming. The talk is from Composability. We are a DeFi protocol to optimize your crypto wealth. Hello everyone. My name is Hsuan-Ting Chu. I'm the CEO of Dingo Company. Dingo Company is a company that focuses on financial technology. In the past, around like 2014 to 2017, we built financial system in the USA. And then after we built the financial system, we feel that, okay, blockchain is the technology that will really change the whole financial world. So we somehow like a pivot, or we change how we build product to use blockchain technology. We built a lot of different blockchain product since 2007, all the way from a DEX to a bridge, and our like super popular, super famous product is Composability. Composability is basically an aggregator that connects to most of the major DeFi protocol and help the traders. They can aggregate, they can perform their trading strategy within one transaction in one website. And also, this is my third time attending the Future of Friends, so thanks for having me here. Today's topic will be like really scary, but not that scary. How will composability really disrupt Wall Street? So before we talk about composability, Wall Street, and then disrupt, let's say in the past 2 years when we are working on DeFi, and a lot of time we will say, oh, DeFi is programmable money, DeFi is, has composability, so it's better than the traditional finance. But the honest or the truth is traditional finance, they also has composability. And I think everyone knows that 2007 we have like a global-wise financial crisis. This is just like caused by the composability in traditional finance. So it's way more crazier than how we do composability in DeFi. But okay, we say composability is way more interesting, crazy, or fun in traditional finance. Then is DeFi still the future? Are we going to still like working on DeFi, or should we bet on traditional finance? I think this is a really good time to think about this. But the answer will be yes. I think DeFi is still the future. So in the following maybe like 20 minutes, we will explain how we see the composability and how we can leverage that in DeFi space. So I think the biggest difference between decentralized finance and traditional finance is the permissionless composability. In the past, if we want to initiate a financial crisis, we have to work in a bank, we have to have a bank, or we need to be a government people, right? Like, so you are not, it's not anyone in the room, you can do that. You have to get a lot of training to do this. But in DeFi, we don't need that, right? Like everyone, you can do anything, like anytime in DeFi world. So permissionless is the very important difference between DeFi and TradFi. So anyone who has guts, you can participate in DeFi, and then you can build your strategy, you can leverage, you can build your position. Let's say you can say you deposit your DAI to Aave, and then when you get a DAI, you put it on Uniswap, so you got that double yield. This is pretty simple, right? But you can all the way go crazy to STETH. So the story related to STETH is always interesting, and then the story is still keeping on right now. So anyone who has guts, you can participate. So this is permissionless. Of course, if you are smart and then you are, you have the knowledge to write Solidity like you guys, so you can still, build your own advanced smart contract to do some smart tricks, like very advanced trading strategy in DeFi world. But not everyone is so smart. Not everyone has the ability to write smart contract, right? So that's why we built Composability. So Composability is like a no-code UI for like all the people. Even though you are an experienced developer, if you don't have time, you just want to having fun or something like that, you can use our like website to perform your trading strategy that within your mind. So I'll take some for example. You can do maker self-liquidation on Combo. Like the truth is, a lot of people are using Combo to manage their position, no matter it's on Compound, Aave, or Maker. Yeah, that's the most popular one. And also, you can short different tokens on Combo, not just DAI. Yeah, and of course, you can use flash loan to do the leverage. That's also very popular on Combo. If you don't know what kind of strategy you can perform in DeFi, we have a database. So this database is that we collect every transaction happening on Combo or might happening, we can perform that on Combo. We collect them and then build it as a database for people to explore. Oh, okay, I can use Combo to do this kind of trick, that kind of trick. So this is our database. And of course, like not just normal user. If you are experienced developer, you can use our developer resource to build on top of Combo. We have already connected to major DeFi protocols, and then we have built some elements for if you want to do transactions, send token, or claim something, or like auto farming, something like that. We have all the elements that you want, so you can just simply visit docs.furucombo.app to see how you can build on top of it. So what else factor make DeFi better than the TradFi? Because we're talking about, okay, the composability will disrupt Wall Street. So that means DeFi is better than the TradFi. So number one, more options for the users, right? For example, most of my time I live in Taiwan, but I cannot buy USA stocks like that easy. I need to register a mystery account and then wire my money, got charged a lot, and then finally I can buy the Tesla stock. But in DeFi, I just go to Uniswap, I just go to Binance, and then I don't even know does the token have a nationality. So I just bought it and put it in my wallet. So more options for the customer. They can choose the best product on the planet. It's not just what your bank offers to you. And also for the banks or for the companies, they have global clients. They don't have to worry about is the market big enough. Say Taiwan is like a smaller market compared to France or for the USA. But if we are located in Taiwan, but we do DeFi, we still can acquire the customer around the globe. And the transaction amount is like huge. The third is lower cost. So lower cost for many people, for the normal user, you don't charge hidden fee from the bank, or you know what exactly you are paying for. You know the gas, you know Ethereum price. And for the company, you to operate a DeFi is like a financial product that within the bank, but using the modern technology to build it. So for the company, it's easier for them to maintain and to estimate the cost. Everything is very efficient. And the third is for the regulator, because everything is on chain. So you don't have to worry about, because when we passed it, in the past, we built financial system. And then every month, we need to upload all the transaction history, like, as much as possible to the government, no matter it's in USA or any kinds of government. If you do payment, you have to do this. All they want is to check, are you providing a service to the terrorist? But right now, everything is on chain. So the FBI, the CIA, or the regulator, if they want to check the transaction history, they can just simply open the Etherscan to see it. They can see the most detail as I do. So everything on chain. And also a very sexy part is Cody's law. So like recent news, a lot of companies, they are using their customers' funds, or they are using the fund doing the thing that is not within their scope or it's not in the contract. So that's not good. But in DeFi, code is law. So if you read the code, you will know, okay, how are they going to use my fund? How are they going to deal with it? What's my privilege? So if you deposit money in, you can simply estimate like what you will get. So I think that's very good for a regulator. You don't have to have a lot of laws just to protect the user, to protect the company, because blockchain is protecting everyone. And no matter how complicated it is, you can always see what's inside, right? 2007, the financial crisis, the most important part is like people don't know what they are buying. So a lot of risk are inside, and then it's too complicated. Yeah, even though like 99% of the people, they will not read the code, even it's on DeFi, they will not read it, or they don't know how to read it. But at least we give you a choice to read it. So if you want to really know what's the risk, or like how to manage your risk in DeFi, you can just simply read the code on Etherscan. And last but not least, everyone has the ability to initiate the financial crisis. Now this is just kidding, but I think a lot of things that is making DeFi better than the traditional finance. So yeah, I do think that DeFi is eating TradFi, but slowly. But how can we like really bootstrap the DeFi eating TradFi? From our perspective is we want to enable like everyone, like really permissionlessly to do something on DeFi. So let's say you are an experienced trader, no matter you work for a bank or you are a convenience store owner. If you know how to make profit in DeFi, you have the idea, you can just like go to FuruCombo. We have the first product, which is our like super famous one. The most famous one is our drag and drop create mode. So if you go to FuruCombo create, you can simply just like building IFTTT, Zapier, or building your like childhood Lego, just put everything together and then send it out. When you send it out, and it's all done. You don't have to visit so many different websites, like go to Uniswap, withdraw it, go to Aave Deposit, and then maybe you want to do leverage, you have to do multiple times. So everything on FuruCombo is like one transaction, very convenient. So this is the FuruCombo create for the traders. So you don't have to work for a bank. You just sit on your, open your laptop and then visit FuruCombo, you get it. And for the FuruCombo, we connected to 19 different major protocols on Ethereum and Polygon. That's basically the most popular one, but we know there are a lot of good protocol that we haven't integrated. So we are still trying hard to integrate new protocol for our users to use. But still, we have to consider the security risk. So yeah, try to balance security and the speed. And also, on FuruCombo, no matter it's on Ethereum or on Polygon, we have 74 different actions available. That means that if you have DAI, or if you have USDC, or you have ETH, any kind of asset you have 74 different ways to use it, at least 74. And also, we have around like 30,000 different trading strategy performed on FuruCombo. So if you're a trader, you can go check it out, the FuruCombo Create. And the next will be FuruCombo Invest. So Create is our first product. We want to serve those people who have experience that they want to trade in DeFi, but they don't know how to do coding, or they want more efficient. So we built FuruCombo Create for them. But after that, we think, okay, so experienced people are just not that many. And then we want more and more people that can enjoy DeFi. But not everyone knows how to survive in DeFi, get profit in DeFi. So we are turning those people who know how to use FuruCombo Create, or who has the ability to get profit in DeFi. We help them to set up a fund for themselves. Let's say I have a lot of my friends knows like I work in DeFi, and they will always ask me, is it time to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum? And also they say, okay, can I give you money and then you invest for me? Yeah, I tried like 1 or 2 times, but that is like troublesome. The troublesome is not to manage their money. Is they often ask me, like, what's the profit right now? Is it my money getting bigger, or what do you do to my money? So on the FuruCombo Invest, you can simply open a fund for yourself to manage if your friends giving you money, you just use this website to manage everything. You can, So your friend can just simply visit this site and then see their ROI, see what kind of trading strategy they are doing. Yeah, so FuruCombo Invest is for those people who has trading experience And for those people who don't know how to survive in DeFi, they can just like meet each other and then get profit. So we say if DeFi want to beat TradFi, the key point is permissionless composability. So permissionless means everyone. So if you are a trader, you can go to Furu Compo Create. If you are a trader and investor is that means that newbie or you have money, you want to make it bigger, you can use Furu Compo Invest. And why do we speak here? Because we want to cooperate with developers. We think that in the past, we made a lot of different products and tools for end users. But developer is always a very good partner for Furu Compo. And then a lot of them are asking, do you guys have an API system, or how can we build on your smart contract infrastructure? So we are thinking and we are exploring to have a Furu Compo developer. So Furu Compo developer is basically like two parts. One part, we will have an API system. You can use like Python or use a React way, like your Web2 way to interact with the DeFi without knowing how to write smart contract. And then you can still like build your own dApp. And the second part will be like harder or more advanced, is to interact with our smart contract directly. So yeah, we will organize all the information, like the API, the smart contract we have, and we will put them on our document center. Yeah. So if any developer is interested to build on Furu Compo, leverage our infrastructure, feel free to visit the site, or feel free to DM me, talk about your needs, your idea, like how we can cooperate together, something like this. And then the benefit to use our code base is basically our code base can cover most of the action that you want to do in DeFi space. Send token, swap, or any token deposit into any vault, something like that. And most importantly, this code got verified by different audit firms. So I won't say it's 100% secure, but at least it's more secure than if you just write it and then deploy it. So yeah, I think it will be a very cost-efficient way, a faster way for the developers to just use our code and then build on top of the infrastructure. Just like if you want to work in Ethereum, but you don't invent or build another Ethereum, you can just use Ethereum. Yep, so this is Furu Compo, and this is my Twitter account. Feel free to reach out to me. We have a booth at the third floor, just this floor, and then we have a cool badge. If you visit us, see our Twitter, you will know how to get a cool badge. Thank you.
Any question?
Hi, thank you for the presentation, very interesting. Do you have any staking on the platform yet?
Yeah, we do have a staking platform. You mean the POS staking, or it's a? Oh no, we don't have a POS staking right now. But yeah, there are a lot of people are suggesting us to set staking as a trading strategy. So we are thinking about that as well. Yeah. But another kind of staking is liquidity mining staking. We do have the whole infrastructure for the staking. So any project they want to launch the liquidity mining, they want to stake their token, no matter it's ERC20 token or it's an NFT. We do have a system called Trevi, Trevi. Yeah. So yeah, pretty advanced.
Anyone else? Okay, thank you.